Hey, insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Hey, this is Ray Alkalai again with insurance tips for smart people. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm wearing my Eden Prairie Noon Rotary shirt today because we had an event with the Eden Prairie first graders, which was great this morning. But I thought I would continue the conversation regarding first-time homebuyers and what's covered with their homeowner's insurance. And today I thought I'd bring up the concept of possessions, the stuff you have. So if you took the roof off the house you're buying, shook it up, and everything that was in it fell out, that is your stuff. And how is that covered? That is primarily covered with contents, and you want to make sure that you're getting replacement cost in contents. What you should consider with contents is if you have a lot of stuff, then you need to do the math of how much you have. If you have the average household stuff, then usually most policies will cover what you have, replacement costs. What it will not cover is specific items like jewelry, guns, art, specific art. My suggestion usually is if the item is more than $1,000, you should consider itemizing it separately of your contents. It's not just your contents, it's the other stuff that you have. And if you keep it elsewhere, you also need to know how that's covered. So again, if you're a first-time home buyer, it's really hard to tell because if you're moving from an apartment into a house, it's a little bit more difficult. But again, you're probably going to have enough coverage with most policies out there, but you should definitely know what is covered. Some companies give a percentage multiplier of the value of the structure to cover the contents as well. And some companies just give you a dollar figure, a percentage of the value. So if it's $100,000 in house coverage, then you have $70,000 or $50,000 for contents. That's just an example of a $100,000 house. Obviously, if it's $300,000, then you've got 150 or 225 or whatever the case may be. So just consider what those things are and make sure that what you have is covered. And if you have some specialty stuff, collectibles, jewelry, art, guns, other toys that may or may not be covered or you want itemized, you need to know that how those are going to be covered. Again, this is Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smart people.com, insurance tips for smart people.com. And please share and like and go to my website of insurance tips for smart people.com and check it out. Talk to you soon.